Are you gonna go potty? Did you already go? Huh? So we give her some privacy. Did you already go? What's wrong? Did you already go?
Just take it.
Do you need to go pee-pee in the toilet?
She's just looking at the toilet.
You trying to figure out where it all goes? Are you okay? If you need to go in the potty, it's okay. There's plenty of litter there. You can go. Just don't fall in. Yeah. Let the pee-pee out. You can do it. You did it! You went pee-pee in the potty. And I don't have to wipe you. Good girl. Are you gonna go poo-poo? That doesn't look like a poo-poo stance. Is there more coming out? All done. Good job. You want a treat? Come here. You want a treat? You want salmon or beef? You want a treat?
I think she wants to eat.
Are you a good girl? You want a treat? Good girl. You went potty.